In this lecture, I'm going to explain you about the SAP MM organization structure elements. The first element is client. The fundamental explanation of client is as follows. Client is a commercial organization unit in R3 system. It has its own set of master data with independent table sets. According to hierarchy, the client is at highest level in SAP system. Data that is maintained at client level is valid for all organizational levels. So basically the client in SAP is a 3-digit number which is at the highest level. So in client only we have to log in into the SAP system. So only after entering the client you can log in into the SAP system. Then when we are going to define our organization structure, first of all we have to define the company code. But basically this is an activity which is being governed by finance team. The fundamental explanation of company code is as follows. Within client, company code is the independent accounting unit. It is a legal entity that has its own profit, loss and balance statement. It is the smallest unit in organization for which a complete independent account set can be replicated. Then we have plant. The fundamental explanation of plant is as follows. Plant is an organizational unit within a company where activities take place. A plant will produce goods and makes goods available for the company. It is a unit which is having manufacturing facility, the warehouse distribution center or a regional sales office within logistics. It subdivides an enterprise in different aspects. Then we have storage location. The fundamental explanation of storage location is as follows. Storage location is an organizational unit which actually differentiates between different material stocks in a plant. Storage location is a place where stock is kept physically. Plant can be consisting of multiple storage location. All data is stored at storage location level for a particular storage location. Then we have purchasing organization. The fundamental explanation of purchasing organization is as follows. Purchasing organization is an organizational unit under company or plant which is responsible for procurement activities according to requirements. It is responsible for external procurement. Purchasing organization can be at client level. It means centralized purchasing organization. And purchasing organization can be at company or plant level. The company specific purchasing or a plant specific purchasing. Company specific purchasing means when you have to assign the purchasing organization element to the company codes only. Plant belonging to the company code can purchase through this purchasing organization. And the other part is if you are assigning your purchasing organization only to the plant, then only the specific plant can purchase through this purchasing organization. Then we have purchasing groups. Purchasing group is an organizational unit which is responsible for everyday procurement activities within an organization. It is a buyer or a group of buyers responsible for procurement activities in a purchasing organization. In the next lecture, I will be showing you the setup in SAP system.